Shadowing practice, daily life of a housewife. Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily English Conversation. Today, you will practice English with me. This lesson is about a housewife's daily life. We use simple present tense. I'll listen first, then repeat. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Let's begin. I wake up early in the morning. I get out of bed quietly. I make my bed. I open the windows. I let fresh air in. Good job. Keep going. You are doing great. I go to the kitchen. I boil water. I make breakfast. I prepare food for my family. I serve breakfast on the table. Nice work. Your English is getting better. I wake up my children. I help them get ready. I prepare their school bags. I check their homework. I say goodbye to them. Excellent! Keep speaking. Don't stop. I clean the kitchen. I wash the dishes. I wipe the table. I sweep the floor. I mop the floor. Great job! You sound more natural now. I wash the clothes. I hang the clothes outside. I fold the dry clothes. I iron the clothes. I put them in the closet. Amazing! You are improving every sentence. I go to the market. I buy fresh vegetables. I choose good food. I carry the bags home. I put the food in the fridge. Keep going, you are halfway there. I cook lunch for my family. I prepare rice and soup. I cut vegetables. I cook meat or fish. I serve lunch on the table. Very good. Your confidence is growing. I eat lunch with my family. I clean the dishes again. I take a short rest. I watch TV for a while. I check my phone. Nice. Your speaking is getting smoother. I pick up my children from school. I talk with them. I help them with homework. I prepare dinner. I set the table. Excellent. Stay focused. You are doing great. I eat dinner with my family. I clean the kitchen again. I take a shower. I go to bed. I sleep well at night. Incredible! You finished all 50 sentences. You did an amazing job today. Practice every day. Repeat these sentences again and again. Remember, listen, repeat, speak. You are improving step by step. See you in the next lesson.